Here at the parking lot. Gonna make our way over there with the long path, and we're gonna be at Bald Rocks today. A little worried we missed the yellow trail, but it's here. It's this road, and then we take this yellow all the way to Bald Rock Shelter. Whew! How was that 1.3 miles?
I'm out of shape.
Yeah, I think I am too. Alrighty, let's make our way. So, taking a little breather. 70 degrees. They didn't even call for that. And suffering with some allergies. I bring her out in prime allergy season. Such a good husband. So there is a water source maybe a mile then from where the shelter is. Hopefully there's something else close by. I'll just take a trip later on if necessary. There she goes again. Ah! I think we just made it to the top of Bald Rock. Give you a beautiful up here. Butters is drinking puddles. There's got to be the shelter nearby because I know it's right at the top of this, and we're very close.
You said that so many times.
How many times?
So many times.
You heard that? I said that so many times. Just got to our spot. Here's the fire pit. Bald Rocks is right over there. And Gene's right over there. Probably going to set up the hammock between these two trees here. And the tent probably there. And sure enough, people leaving stuff. But I don't know what it was. Those 3.5 miles or so were brutal. Must be out of shape. So I got the hammock up. Ian's chilling, having a good time. Wave to everyone. Butters' little head's always sticking up, looking to see where I am. Got a little rest. Got some food. Feel good. Gonna try to get some firewood. Of course, there's no firewood around here, but that's what you're gonna get out here. And that's that. I found a tick on my dog, which sucks. But constantly checking ourselves, making sure we're gonna be all right. But that was a surprise. How you feeling, Ian?
Good.
Can't hear you.
I said good.
You said what?
Good. Got a blister.
She's got a blister. I'll pop it later.
No.
I won't touch it later. And that's that. Now I'm gonna get some firewood from half a mile away, and gonna get a fire going.
I'm up in the mountains again. I'm getting lighter, the air's getting thin. Now I'm facing down with a grin. I've been in the city too long, sidewalks and buildings and singing sad songs. Now I'm back up where I belong, and in the mountains again. Can't live on flat ground. Can't stand.
Cold, Ian? Getting chilly out here. Let's go look at that thermometer. But we're gonna start some dinner. We're not that hungry. We'll do one pasta side. Got Butters here, chilling with me. Found a tick on the bastard. Hopefully, that's the last tick.
Give him to me. You're gonna trip.
I know.
Come here.
In the mountains again.
What's up, guys? It's nighttime now. Just had some dinner. A rice side. We shared one. And got the fire going. Gonna hit the hay soon. Earliest Jin's ever been to bed. Right, Yin?
Yep.
There's Butters. So we were debating whether or not to stay. I feel like with the tick that we found on Butters, my back that's been hurting me now for a couple of days. Oh, you look really nice.
Thanks.
And the fact that we just miss home. Sometimes you just come out, get what you need, and leave. It's fine. And wow, the fire is really nice, huh? But we'll see. We'll kick back. Again, I don't know if Butters just went through a spot and just happened to get a tick on him, and I just happened to find that one tick that got on him, or this place is infested because of the night thing, you know, Yin?
What night thing?
Because of the weather not being cold enough.
Oh. Yeah.
Contribute to the group.
What do you
Now I
want me
know.
to say?
This is what Alex complained. I don't know, just talk.
I don't like my dog getting ticks.
I know. He's got his Lyme disease and everything, but you know, they say you could prevent it if you get the tick off within a certain amount of time. And I feel like if he does have ticks on him still, that if we get home tomorrow, we could be able to pull him out right away. Listen, my dog's my life, so.
Not your wife.
And you. But you're good.
What if I get a tick?
Yeah. And my wife, you know, we don't want her getting Lyme disease either.
Because you can't lift me up.
Oh yeah, you're gonna be all sluggish? You're already sluggish. That's my troll face. So, we'll see. But it was awesome. I had a great time. Yeah?
Good morning, everyone. It's like 4. Didn't sleep very well again. Don't know why. Got pretty cold, but I was warm in my new sleeping bag. I'm pretty happy with that. There's Yin. Yin, how was your night?
It's freezing.
We didn't sleep too good. Even Yin, who's a master at this somehow. And Butters was a little worried the whole time as well. So I'm getting up now, starting to pack, because before you know it, the sun will start coming out. Yeah, I don't know if you hear all that, but that's all we heard all night. Non-stop.
Sunrise over Bowling Rocks.